So any fractions questions start by converting them into top heavy. So 4 1/9 is 37 over 9. 1 3/10 is 13 over 10. And then by the rules of adding fractions, cross multiply to get the numerators. Straight multiply to get the denominator, and then do the addition. And then your calculator can convert that back into a mixed fraction. Same with subtraction questions, so convert that into 13 over 4 and 15 over 7. Cross multiply cross multiply, straight multiply, and then do the subtraction. And convert back to mixed fraction. Same with multiplication, so that's 8/5. That's 7/4, but this time you multiply the denominators, you multiply the numerators, simplify and convert back. We've got 5/3 and 8/3 for multiplication. For a division, turn the second fraction upside down and multiply. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and cancel down. Negative power means 1 over, and I've still got 9 to the power 1, which is just 9, so that's 1 over 9. Negative power means I do 1 over. The denominator means what root I want, so I want the square root of 25, and then the numerator tells me what I'm going to raise that to. So I've got 1 over, square root of 25 is 5, and then I'm going to cube it. 5 cubed is 125. With a fraction, just apply the top, so 4 cubed is 64, and the bottom, 3 cubed is 27, so 64 over 27. The denominator tells me I want the square root, so I want the square root of 4 over the square root of 25. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of 25 is 5. Straightforward percentage. Percent is over 100. Just type it in the calculator. So I've got 20.64 out of 215, and I want that as a percentage. SD on my calculator converts it to 0.096. When I multiply by 100, I get 9.6. So it's 9.6%. I've got a quantity that 3.7% of it is £120.25. Opposite of multiply is to divide. So my amount must have been £3,250. Decrease means take it away from 100. So 100 subtract 62 is 38%. And then it's a standard percentage question. (2249.6 kilometres). Want the actual change. So 1008.78 subtract 731, which is 277.78. To make it a percentage change, I put it over the original. SD gives me as a decimal, multiplied by 100 means I can write it as a percentage. Reduction means I subtract from 100, so 100 subtract 3 is 97 out of 100. I've got 347,000, and this is happening for 2 years. But read the question and it wants the total loss, so I've got to do my original amount subtract what I ended up at. So the loss is in fact 20,507.7. Reduction, so subtract from 100, that's 16%. I don't know what the original price is, but I know in the sale it became £9.44. Opposite of multiply is divide. So the original price must have been £59.